Hey everyone, the other day I went to IKEA and while I was there I thought that I would share all of my favorite finds with you that are under $10. I actually own all of the products that I'm showcasing today and I use them on pretty much a daily basis. Oh, and ignore any of the price tags that you see in the footage unless you're Canadian because I was in a Canadian IKEA. Alright, let's go! The first thing I want to pick up are a couple more of the bamboo-topped glass food storage containers. I've been wanting more of these for a long time because we use these literally every day at home. They're made out of glass, so they're perfect for warming up food directly in the microwave. The bamboo lids are not dishwasher safe, but are really easy to wash by hand, and they actually hold up super well over time. It's worth mentioning that the lids also seal extremely well. I have a variety of these containers in different sizes, and not only are they practical, but they're also aesthetically pleasing in the cupboards and in the fridge, which is always a nice bonus. When it comes to drinking glasses, I actually usually like to thrift mine because I like to find unique or vintage ones, but it's rare to find more than 2 or 3 matching thrifted drinking glasses, I find. And we really just needed an everyday set of just matching glasses. So I picked up a pack of these because they're affordable and they have a nice kind of timeless rib design. If they break, I won't be too upset since they were very inexpensive. They're dishwasher safe and they come in 2 sizes with a couple of other color options besides the clear. IKEA has a great selection of really lovely placemats and they're all under $10 each. I really love these particular ones and I actually found out that they look like a lot better in person than they do online. Online they look kind of like weird and scraggly, but in person they're really nice. They're really textural and they definitely add a nice bit of visual interest to the table. So IKEA doesn't have a huge selection of cotton napkins, but the ones they do have are all under $10. I picked up these napkins for just $1.49 for a 4-pack. They're beige with a subtle red stripe and they're perfect for everyday meals. With a bit of festive greenery, you could also dress these up and use them for Christmas or for Thanksgiving meals. My only regret is I wish I had bought a few more packs to have backups while the dirty ones are in the laundry. I've been buying these down-filled throw pillows from IKEA for like 15 years, and they are great value for money. Great quality, they really keep their shape. Plus, the price hasn't increased much over the years. They're pretty unbeatable in price actually. Even the cheapest 20 by 20 down-filled throw pillows on Amazon cost $25 for a set of 2, so it just doesn't compare as IKEA only charges $7 for 1 pillow. They offer 3 sizes of these down throw pillows, 2 different square sizes and 1 rectangle, and I just highly recommend these. While you're in the pillow section, you should also check out their velvet cushion covers. If you need a nice, cozy, solid-colored pillow cover to complement maybe some other patterns you may have in your space, then these are a great option. They're a really good price and great quality, and they carry a pretty nice variety of colors with 10 different color options available in the US and only 6 in Canada for some reason. And again, they're still cheaper than the dupes sold on Amazon, which again force you to buy a pack of 2, just like the pillows, for a higher price. And no trip to IKEA is complete without snagging some storage and organization stuff. IKEA does a great job at making you think that if you buy their storage options, you'll basically become the most organized person on the planet. I don't know about you, but I 100% believe them. First off, I got some more of these storage boxes. I already had a set of these which I bought years and years ago, and I wanted some more. I really like using these in my socks and undergarment drawers. Unlike hard plastic containers, these ones are flexible, so you can really kind of stuff them if you need to, and they'll adapt. They're lightweight and foldable, so you can store them away easily if you aren't using them, but there's never really a time when I'm not using them, except for maybe if I move house. I also love the lidded Kugis boxes. They are so incredibly useful when it comes to storing random stuff. Like we put all our extra cables in them and other miscellaneous office stuff that doesn't have a home. Everything stays out of sight and dust-free that way, and the boxes stack and look so nice and neat, and you would never guess what level of chaos is actually stuffed away inside them. If you're just looking for plastic storage bins, you can also hit up the dollar store, but I do find though that dollar store bins normally don't look quite as nice as the IKEA bins. I don't know, what do you think? Another storage basket that I love from IKEA that is a bit more decorative, I guess, are these wire baskets. We have several of these scattered around the house. For us, they've kind of just become like catch-all baskets for random stuff. IKEA switches up the colors periodically on these baskets. Right now, I think they're doing them in beige and white. I also have an older blue version that they don't make anymore, and I've seen like lime green and red and yellow. You could, of course, just spray paint them if you wanted a custom color. I also picked up a couple of these storage case bag thingies. These are great for underbed storage, although they don't actually fit under our bed. But if your bed is raised up off the ground a bit more than mine, these would be perfect candidates to store under the bed. Right now, I'm using them to store our winter scarves and gloves and such, but you could really use them to store anything that maybe you don't need to access on a daily basis. They're zippable and they keep your stuff dust-free, and they fold up really small and flat and nice when they're not in use. Another little hidden gem that I've had for years and use every day is the IKEA shower squeegee. This little tool is essential if you have a clear glass shower door, you know, those frameless shower doors. It's also great for cleaning the bathroom mirrors. I once naively bought a squeegee from a dollar store thinking that a squeegee is just a squeegee, but it didn't compare in quality to the IKEA one. Another brilliant find that is still super worth it to buy is this door hanger. This handy little accessory is perfect for creating extra storage out of what would otherwise be unused vertical space behind your door. The best part is that there are no nails required, as it just hangs over the top of your door. It has a soft, spongy backing, which prevents any damage to your door as well. Yes, I know it's just a door hanger, but from what I've seen, for example, on Amazon, there's nothing that really comes close to the IKEA door hanger when it comes to looks and affordability. My pot and pan drawer needs help. And I've been hearing so many people swear by this pot lid organizer, so I decided to get it to see if it would change my life. It's adjustable, so you can fit it into different sized drawers, and it keeps all your lids neatly organized in one place. I think it works great, and it does organize things a lot more than before, but it does take up quite a bit of precious drawer space as well. But this item is super versatile. Even if you don't want to use it as a pot lid organizer, you could use it to store really anything that lays flat that you want to store upright. Cutting boards, cookie sheets, Tupperware lids, plates, pans, things like that. I also really love the shelf inserts, which you can use inside your cabinets to maximize wasted vertical space. They're basically just risers that sit on top of your existing shelves, and they create additional layers for storing items such as plates, bowls, or even spices. I really don't know what I would do without these. I wanted to layer a woven mat onto our existing entry mat without spending a fortune, so I got one of these. These doormats are made out of coir, which comes from coconuts. I like this doormat because it doesn't have any weird graphics or patterns, just a simple woven texture. To my knowledge, there are no simple woven doormats on Amazon for just $9.99, so this is still a good buy. There were also a few other things that I picked up that I wanted to show you. They're not all under $10, but I thought they were still worth sharing. I decided it was finally time to upgrade my cutlery drawers to the bamboo cutlery organizer. I think these look so nice, and we'll see how these fare over time. I'm hoping they last a long time, but we'll see. I read that some of the bamboo cutlery trays on Amazon tend to warp over time, so I'm hoping that these IKEA ones are a bit better quality. If you have these, please let me know in the comments how they've done for you so that I know what to expect. I also picked up this carafe. I really love the look of this, especially the glass stopper. It makes our tap water look super fancy. I thought I'd share because it's something that's added a little touch of elegance to our dining table without breaking the bank. Like I said before, we were in dire need of new drinking glasses, so I got these drinking glasses in addition to the ones I mentioned earlier. They're so pretty, and we've been using them daily ever since we got them. The matching champagne coupes and carafe from this series are really nice, but I didn't buy them. But I'm kind of regretting that now, so I just might still buy them just in case they stop making this series. I really love these. I also got a new plate set because our everyday dishes are starting starting to look a little tired. So I bought this 12-piece set, which was only 20 bucks. It's a super simple and classic design, stackable for easy storage, and they're dishwasher safe. I'm pretty happy with this purchase. Sometimes it's nice to just have a fresh start with new untainted dishes. And that's it. Those are some of my favorite under $10 products at IKEA. If you have any favorites that I didn't show today, please leave me a comment and let me know what they are, because I would love to check them out. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!